it's a cold one today. I'm in Midtown Toronto at the intersection of Yonge and Eglinton. This place seems to be forever under construction with all the new high-rises going up and of course the new underground LRT they're building. The LRT construction has actually made quite the mess on Eglinton, as you'll soon see. The plan is to walk over to Eglinton West Station, which is a good 3.5 kilometers or so from here. Hopefully I don't freeze too much on the way. It's minus 16 Celsius, but it feels like minus 26. Yikes. Let's do this. So this one is absolutely freezing. It's minus 16. I've been walking uphill most of the way, directly into the wind. About halfway there. So I'm gonna turn around and keep going. All right, I'll see you when we're there. And finally I arrived at Eglinton West Station. I went straight for the bus as only a lunatic would want to keep walking around in that. That's it for this one, but as always, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. Your support is always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.